Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga, no? Madaling araw na. It's around 1:49 AM in the morning. It's February 21, no? Mga kaibigan. Madali lang ho ang panahon. It's very faster, no? So, as of now, mga kaibigan, we need to discuss all about the highly civilized or the highly civilizations of the humanity of this earth. In order for us to understand that there is a civilizations, why the people can think in advance, because of the evolutions or the able of the human civilizations of this earth. When the time has come, the people can do everything because of the gift of knowledge. As of now, one of the most powerful when the man was created is the money. The money is one of the mobility around the world. Without money, you cannot move everything from one thing, from one place to another place. It is because the money is the most powerful among us. As of now, when time has come, the money is one of the most leading needs of the humanity of this earth. So that's why as of now, money is the source of all evil in the human highly civilized or in the highly civilizations of humanity. So that's why money can lead to all the cause of this earth, either good or bad. Because people, in order to generate money, sometimes another people out there are doing bad things in their life, engaging more illegal activities, especially more people right now are doing bad things to the earth. It is because of the money. Why? The money is the main source, the main elements of all crimes of this earth. You know why? Because of money, people can do bad things of this earth. Either you are in the relatives, either in the relatives to the blood, even your neighbors, even your sister and brothers, even your father and mother. They can argue with you. They can get angry with you because of the money. The world can get angry with you because of the money. The world now can become more conflict into the highly civilized humanity because of the money. So there is a questions that may be raised to ask for me in the past more 10 years ago, that I could not be imagined. My answer is one more thing, is money. Why all the crimes was committed by the people around the earth? It is because of the money. No? Because there is a lot of peoples out there, they don't have money. And then there is a people out there and there is a lot of money. They will make their power from the money, because money is one thing for the most powerful by this earth. Even you are in the good things in the eyes of the law of creations, and also in the eyes of the law of the land, it comes to the money, you will become a blind out of it, mga kaibigan. Why? Because that is money. Money, they can roll justice. Money, they can blind the law. Money, they can roll law. It's all around by the earth, in the highly civilized, in the humanity. So that's why you can understand how the money is the most very important, especially during elections. Before, there is no elections, mga kaibigan. So as of now, because of elections, because of money, there is a lot of corruptions in the government. in around the world, and every state and every boundaries and territories in every nations of this universe, there is more corruptions even before. So that's why maybe vigilant always for your life for this earth. Thank you so much. Kaya nagkakandara pa ang mga kurap dito sa Pilipinas. No, ang daming mga kurap dito. Why? Because of money. Because sa kwarta. Daming mga nagiging mayaman dito, walang mga negosyo. Bumapasok lang sa politika, ginagawang negosyo ang politika dito sa Pilipinas, guys. No, mga kaibigan. That is a reality, that is truthful in the life, no? Ginagawang negosyo ang politika sa Pilipinas. Mind you with that. Diba? Ikaw, yung tumitingin ng kurap, yung gago ka.